In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your subscriber count on YouTube mobile. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So first of all, what I'm going to go ahead and do is come over to my YouTube channel and show you that you can go ahead and see my subscribers. So as you can see there under my channel name, you can see my subscribers. And if I also go ahead and click on a random video, as you can see there under my YouTube channel name, again, you can see my subscribers. So if you want to go ahead and get rid of this, what you will need to go ahead and do is come all the way back and then go ahead and select Safari or Google Chrome or any browser that you wish to go ahead and use. So I want to go ahead and use Safari here, and then once you come over to your browser, you will need to go ahead and come over to youtube.com. And then once you come over to youtube.com, as you can see here, this is the mobile version, and what you need to do is get onto the desktop version. So how you go ahead and do that is go to your profile picture in the top right corner, and then right down at the bottom here you can see an option there for desktop. Go ahead and select that, and then what it will do is it will redirect you over to the desktop version of YouTube. And then from this section here, what you need to do is go ahead and click on your profile picture once again, and then go ahead and select Create a Studio. And then you'll be redirected over to your Create Studio. If not, all you need to go ahead and do is just keep trying, and then you will eventually be redirected to your Create Studio on your browser. And then once you come over here, as you can see right down there on the left hand side, right at the bottom, there's a little settings cog. You need to go ahead and select that. And then once you've selected the settings cog right down there at the bottom, you need to go ahead and select Channel. And then go ahead and select Advanced Settings. And then once you've done that, what you need to go ahead and do is just scroll down a little bit until you see subscriber count. And then as you can see, the checkbox is checked. So display the number of people subscribed to my channel. That box is now checked. What you need to go ahead and do is simply uncheck that box and then go ahead and select save. So now your subscriber count should have gone. So we'll go ahead and we'll check that right now on YouTube. So if we go ahead and go to our channel, as you can see, the subscriber count has now gone, and I'll go ahead and check it on the YouTube app just to make sure. So if we go over to my channel now, as you can see, the subscriber count has now been removed from my channel. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.